Hello, I'm Adib Hassan and my ID is 1521, and today I'll be discussing about the problem of writing a C program to iterate through an array of integers and finding a number. So let's start by giving the header file, obviously, include stdio.h. Then we'll start the main function, int main. First of all, we'll need an array. So let's take an array of, let's say, 10 size. Sorry, I didn't. Okay, so we'll take the value. Let's say we'll take from 0 to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 10 elements in our array, and let's see, we'll have to find the number 5, let's say. So for that, we'll have to iterate through the array using a for loop. Int I0, I less than the array's size, which is actually 10. So the I, the variable that will iterate, it will go from 0 to 9, the index number of our array, and we'll have to increment the value of that variable. So, and we'll see if the number is equal to array of I, that is the value that is presented in the ith index of that array. So we'll print here value is found. Let's identify the value also. So we need that, and what is the value? Number. Okay. We can also do that. Do what? We can also do the value at if though the value is found in the ith position. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, let's not do th because for first it's st and so on. So if we have this, we'll break the loop. We can also do a program for the number that is not in the array. So let's try that also. So for that we'll need a flag. So I'm taking a boolean stat f is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, I was thinking about C++. So let's take an integer. It is our flag. So initially it's 0, and if we find the number, we'll make it 1. And after this loop, if our flag is still 0, then we'll print out that the value is not in that array. So same printf the value is not in the array. That's it. That's our problem. And because we have already given the value, we're not taking it is as input, so we already know what will be the solution. But still we'll run this problem and see what happens. So we should get the value. Yeah, the value 5 is found in the. Okay, so here I did not identify the second integer, so now it's identified, and if we run it again, the value 5 is found in the fifth position actually. So it's 1 2 3 4 5. So that was the index number, and if I do this, we'll get the position of the year. The 5 is found in the sixth position, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5. It is the sixth position and the value is found. And if say the value was 20, that is not in the array, we would get the value is not in the array. Thank you. That's all from me.